Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an amazing and stunning poster using Canva and its hidden apps. Let's start. Firstly, you have to add a text on blank page. For example, I take a word like coffee for the poster. You can take any other words like tea for which you wishes to design a poster. And you must ensure that for this design, you have to take only that font which looks very bold in view. For example, I take Anton because it delivers maximum visual impact in minimal horizontal space. Then download the image as PNG. Open the apps and type Shape Cutout. Click on the Choose File and select the design for the cutout, the portion which you want to remove from that image. And these are final outcome.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Hit the bell icon and stay tuned.